Lower Kindergarten Phonics Part 3. Word formation and reading activities. In this video, you will learn how to teach word recognition and reading through many interesting activities. A very good activity is the preparation of reading strips. Notice how we have the phonic words on one strip and the two-letter pair on another strip. You need to cut this out and then put the longer strip into the rectangular strip, and then the child moves this and reads the word. This is a beautiful activity and children enjoy it. They also learn to read the word very quickly. B at bat, k at cat, h at hat, m at mat, r at rat. Notice how we can move the rectangular strip up and down. If you laminate this, then you can use it many times. If you don't laminate it, it gets spoiled very quickly when the child uses it repeatedly. You could also make flip charts like this. Again, the child enjoys this. Prepare small little circular cards like this. Prepare reading pictures. Get the child to read this and then place the related letters below this and read it. So the child has to take k, put it here, a, and then t, and then read the word. Give a child pictures like this, and again, this time the child forms the word without any guide. You could have pictures and words and then get the child to match them. Again, a very enjoyable activity for the child. Please go to the website cft.in, go to the download section, click on others, and you'll get a lot of very useful preschool guides and templates. Below this video, you will find links to websites that have interesting preschool activities. Thank you.